A2 of folded card stamps and dies, and you also get an idea book. So Stephanie Bernard is the head of the company, and she's created all these amazing items, and it's so cute. When you get the little book, you can open up and even learn about her family and how this business started. So we see these mason jars everywhere, and I think that it's kind of like a cute trend. So here are the dies to make those, and then you get sentiments and more dies. So Stephanie is standing by. Stephanie, this is such a cute kit, and these mason jars are like the hot thing, and they're everywhere.
They are, and you know what? I absolutely love this. I am so excited to finally bring this to HSN. I designed it a while ago, and I said, oh, please, HSN, get this one, because it is so absolutely adorable. Imagine having this cute little card that is an actual card. Now, it's going to fit in a size A2 envelope, so a standard envelope, but look, you can even make it a shape. It is so simple to make, so easy. Imagine making cute little cards just like this. And look at how cute that is. Look, a little ship in a bottle if you want to. And again, it's the perfect card size. Now, if you want to, you can also make this the perfect thing for a scrapbook page if you wanted to. But look at these fun samples that I have here. Look, a cute little a cute little jar with little candies in it. Or look at this cute little one, a little lemonade jar. Isn't that adorable? Now, you can also make them shakers. So simple, so easy. Here's a cute one with the little hearts on it. Now, you're also getting this label die and a couple other dies in the kit also. You're also getting that cute little love. Now, you're going to make this a card, and it's so simple to do because what you're going to do is on the back of the die, it says place fold here. So this is my folded cardstock. I'm going to run this through my die cut machine, and then I'm going to get a card that looks like this. Perfect size for an A2 size card. It's going to fit right into an envelope. And then I get to decorate it. So I get to add these cute little hearts. I can add the label. It's also going to come with stamps. So now you can stamp on there. You can have it say, thank you, thinking of you, happy anniversary, happy birthday, just for you. And you can have that cute little label on there as well. So the choices are really up to you, and you are going to have so much fun decorating. Look at this cute little one for Christmas. Isn't that adorable? The little gingerbread guy in the bowl. So simple, so easy. And you're going to add anything you want to this jar. Do you want a cute little cute as a bug? Sure. Sorry you've caught a bug. Get it? Because it's a jar. You've caught a bug. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love it. Or what if you want to do Halloween? Isn't that adorable? You can have a cute little guy or little jack-o'-lantern guy. So cute, so adorable. And then, well, the theme changes. So now we're going to do Christmas or winter. So every single holiday, every single theme that you could think of, you can decorate your little jar. And don't forget, you're also getting those stamps as well. Now let's look at a couple more because I have so many awesome samples. Here's a cute one, perfect for spring. Thank you, with those cute little strawberries on it. So adorable. Then look at this, again, another Christmas. So you're going to be using this over and over and over again. And don't forget, it fits in a standard envelope. So it's so fun to send somebody a shaped card and have them just say, oh, wow, oh my goodness, that's amazing. And then you could even send them this card another time. And you know what? They're not even going to know it was the same, because look at that. Totally 100% different. Every single time you make it, it's going to look totally different. And anybody you give this to is never going to know, hey, didn't you already use that card? No, because every single time it is so different. So whatever you put into it is going to change it up so much. Here's another little shaker with our cute little raccoon on it, perfect for fall. But whatever you use to decorate your little jar is just going to change it.
Stephanie, this is so cute. I love it. And you know, it comes with an idea. So Stephanie's showing you all those ideas. I want you to know that you get like a little booklet that's going to give you some ideas. And also at the beginning, I want you to see that there's step-by-step directions. You know, like she's not going to leave you in the lurch like, okay, I got it home. Now what do I do with it? On the table, you can see the dies that you're getting to get this mason jar. You even see the details at the top of the jar. Plus you're getting the sentiments, and you're getting other dies for borders. And look at this, the love love, and then the heart with or without the love inside. So 5 flex pay on this and everything that we're doing today for crafts. So you're getting this home for $6.20. You're also filling your cart for just $5 shipping and handling. You could buy 20 things, you could buy 30 things. It's still just $5 from midnight to midnight. This is a promotion that we love, we look forward to. I've got to be honest, we haven't always done it every single time. All of us hosts are like, please do that $5 fill your cart. So very excited that we're doing that today, especially this is brand new. This is the only time it's going to be on air, and I only started, I think, with about 800 of these. And when these sell out, we do these exclusives for us here at HSN. When this goes, that's it. So you're seeing how many we have left. So 760. So if you want to jump in on that, everything has, of course, that 30-day money-back guarantee. But, you know, Stephanie, I have never seen anything like this with the mason jars. I think that is so cute. It's, you know, when I see a mason jar like given to it like as a gift to, like, you know, make cookies and you fill up the ingredients, I just think of it as very like homemade, very welcoming. I mean, it just gives you like this really warm feeling. Just the shape of the mason jar gets you in that mood.
It's totally true. And you know what? It's so fun because every theme, any theme you can think of, you can put in your jar if you want. There we have some cute little mushrooms in there. I
need cards for that 4th hour then. I have no idea what.
And then here we have the cute little candies in it if you want, or you could just do a jar just like this with just regular little a love heart or whatever you want. And don't forget, you are getting that booklet. So don't think that I'm just going to send this to you and you're not going to know what to do with it. No, you're going to get that idea book that's going to show you a whole bunch of different ideas. So then you're going to say, oh, okay, now I want to put this in there. And my question to everyone there is, what are you going to put in your jar? Are you going to put cookies in your jar? Are you going to put little dog bones? Are you going to put little penguins? You let your imagination go wild. Whatever you want to put in your little guy. Or you could make it a little snow globe type look with the jar upside down.
Oh, I love the snow globe idea.
I know, isn't that cute?
I never would have thought of that. That's cute.
I know, exactly. And you know what? Every single thing you can think of, you can make it a card, decorate the inside, send this to someone, and they're just going to be amazed. They're going to say, whoa, you know, look at that cute little jar. That's a little jar, you know, and they're going to just be so excited to see that. And again, you can do it for Christmas if you want to. Here's your little Christmas. Or if somebody's not feeling well, I'm sorry you caught a bug. This one's one of my favorites, though, that cute little Jack. Like,
I love it.
Decorate him up. Trick or treat. I know, isn't it cute? Make it perfect little invitation if you want to. So cute. Happy Halloween.
And Stephanie, these are A2 for cards, but you could do this also for your scrapbooking, right?
Absolutely. Perfect on a 12 by 12 page because it's the perfect size. Also, if you want to, you could even make banners out of these as well because they're such a large size. So they're perfect for scrapbooking, for card making, for banners, for paper crafts. So simple, so easy. And again, you are just literally running it through your die cut. Any die cut machine that has a 6-inch opening is going to fit right through there. You're just going to run that through, and then you're going to get your fold just like that. And then you're going to be able to decorate your card any which way you want to. And this cute little guy, I just can't get over him. He's so cute. Add a little bowl on there and make it.
Stephanie, I don't want to interrupt, but these are going very quickly. I think it said something like 530 left, but we have like 300 people in the ordering process. If somebody gets 2 of them, they'll be gone in a second. For $6.20, very unique and very universal. And it's one of these, why didn't I think of that die? This is genius, Stephanie. Everybody is loving it. Write down that item number. We have so many goodies to show you, but I don't want you to miss out on this. 771255. You also get the stamps. You're getting stamps as well as the mason jar, as well as all the other dies too. So this is a 7-piece clear stamp, 10-piece metal die kit. So you're getting a lot, plus 6 double-sided book idea. You're getting the booklet, and for me, I think the booklet is amazing. Stephanie, let me ask you just one more quick question. Is there online YouTube videos for us to get more ideas with it, because this is a new kind of die?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. The folded dies are very popular, so you can just go on YouTube and search Fold It, Stephanie Bernard, and boom, it'll pop up. Okay,
thank you. Yeah, I wanted to ask that because, you know, there's so many. I know we could have done a whole hour just on this one thing because there's so many ideas. All right, Stephanie, thank you so much. Great idea. Congratulations. It'll be a huge success, something that's like brand new. I love it. All right, coming up. Is this my coming up? Oh, okay. So coming